I'm going to show you the easiest way to engrave glass with a diode laser. We are going to use my xtool F1 and this whiskey glass from MakerFlow. I love using the F1 for projects because the possibilities are absolutely endless. Alright, so we're going to use 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean off the surface of the glass. We want to do this before we are adding our paint marker to it for the laser to engrave, just to make sure there's no oils or anything on there. And we are just using this little 3D printed jig that will hold this at a flat angle so that it will engrave evenly. And so I just need to get out my chalk marker here. I got a brand new one. I haven't even used this one yet. As you can see, it hasn't even been started yet. And then I am just gonna try and start this. So you can see the ink is slowly coming out. So I am gonna do just a nice even coating here. The key is to make sure it's even. Alright, and then we'll just let that dry.
Alright, so we are here in xtool creative space. I've imported all my labels. Now, this is an SVG file that I made a couple years ago for my Dollar Tree video, and I just really like how they turned it out, so I thought this would look great on the whiskey glass. So we're going to actually do this bone elixir one. I'm just going to do a copy of this, copy and then paste. We'll drag it out, and I'm going to make it a compound path. That way it's not individual pieces. And then I'm going to make the height of this 3 inches, and then we can just center that for now. And so we are going to engrave this, so the blue light, and we are going to do 100% power and 50% speed. Now with glass, the lower the lines per inch is better, so I'm going to do 140, see how that does. But that is looking great, and so now we can frame up our design.
So we do need to get this in focus, so we need to get those 2 dots to overlap. Alright, now that is in focus, and then now we can engrave it. So here we have our design framing up, and I know it's exactly where I want it to be. It's roughly 3 inches tall, so we are for this one using the whole glass, but that's okay. So now we can click the button and start engraving it. Alright, and it has finished. I think it did okay, but let's try and clean off this paint. So I'm going to spray some of the isopropyl alcohol and see if we can get it off with that. If not, we might have to use some paint thinner or something. Oh, that looks like that's getting it off great. Well, somewhat great. Wow, I cannot get over how great this glass looks. The X1 did a great job of engraving this, and it honestly just looks really cool. If you want this SVG for yourself, you can check down the links down below to where you can find it. Alright guys, well let me know if you have any questions about this process down below, and I'll be more than happy to get to them and answer you. Let me know if you do something different as well. I have a lot of more laser projects coming up, so make sure you subscribe if you want to stay in the loop, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!